Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1973 Plymouth Duster. Really nice car, guys. Factory TX9 black car. I love what they've done. It's got all the blacked out hood treatment on it. It's got the white side stripe. It has a 360 cubic inch, 380 horse crate engine, so the car rocks. It came out of South Carolina. It's got a good, solid South Carolina body. Matter of fact, I believe it's got all the original body panels still on it. Pretty car. Little bit of an older resto. They said it's about a 7-8-year-old restoration. So it was done early 2000s. But very, very nice car. Walking around it, I saw, a couple little chips, a couple little dings to it, but other than that, really, really pretty car. It's got a set of 15-inch Americans. Of course, it's got the 8s in the rear, 7s in the front. It's got air blows cold. And like I say, really just a cool car. If you're looking for something to go have some fun with, I think you're gonna like this car a lot. And like I say, it rocks. Car gets down the road. 70-some thousand actual miles on it. So again, this is what I'm talking about in a hood treatment. So it's got the painted black, and then of course they blacked out the hood, which is pretty cool. I like that look. Looks like it's got the original trim. It's got the original front bumper on it. So you can kind of nitpick that front bumper. It's got the dual snorkel hood. I know they've changed the front windshield, but I believe the rest of the glass is the original Chrysler glass. Dash is nice in there. A little split there on the corner. Pretty car. It's got the pop-out rear windows. Again, your blacked out hood treatment goes towards your top, around the top of the doors and the top of the windows. Pretty car. You can see it's got slick paint on it. See the flags waving in the background. Again, this looks like it's all original. Nice and straight down the sides. That's a new rear bumper. It's got a good sounding exhaust on it. It's got an X-pipe dual exhaust system. Sorry guys, just missed a little something there. X-pipe dual exhaust system with a chrome tip, so it's got a great sound to it. Car, plenty of performance, guys, I will tell you that. Touched up a little spot there in your stripe. I like it. I like this car a lot, man. This car hits me good. I love the fact that it's a factory black car. It's just not something you see a whole lot. And again, the engine package is fun to drive. Power front disc brakes. Floors are nice and clean. You can see it just, man, I don't even know if it's a little tiny ding I noticed there. Nothing that I'd mess with. I wouldn't do it. I'd just leave this car alone. Great car. Again, 360 cubic inch, 380 horse crate engine, Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got a Mopar Performance aluminum intake, hooker headers. It's got the MSD box, MSD 6AL ignition box, power steering, power front disc brakes, does have air blows cold. They say there's not a ton of miles on the car since it was restored. Sorry, blah, blah, blah. See that? I think the guys just mixed some wax there, guys. Well, I love black, man. I mean, look, you see my boots. I mean, this thing's got nice paint on it. Really a slick car. touch-up mark there. Original mirror, it's nice. These door handles are original and they look good. As you get in here, I believe this is your original paint, guys. Original door sticker. I believe it has all the original interior in it. Factory black interior. Again, you can see all your, your service stickers that they had in the car. Factory bench seat. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Jordan's driven this thing a couple of times now, and he says this thing hits the road good. I think all your gauges and everything works. 76,962 AM radio. The original owner's manual is in the glove box. Again, X-pipe dual exhaust system. That sounds real good. 8 3/4 323 sure grip rear end. Dust in here. Car's got the original quarters still on it. Again, I believe this is original under here. Factory jack with the spare. It's all, like I said, I believe that's all original, guys. I don't think it's really ever been messed with. You can see it's still got the insulation on the inner quarters. I dig it. Cool car. Couple of new ones just arrived. C10 pickup, 72 Chevelle. Oh, getting ahead of myself, see? Again, car's clean underneath. I actually put a new fuel tank in this car. I think we did it. We were hauling it back. I think we punctured the tank with one of our straps. So it's got a brand new fuel tank in it. Boys didn't do much detail job here. Just a little dust in there, guys. Yeah, I think this is all original, guys. You can see your original Chrysler marking in the glass. Seats are nice. Dash is nice. Gauges are nice and clean. Go ahead, Jordy. And I believe these are original. It's got a good running engine in it too, guys. This thing hits. Air works, it blows cold. That car's got a real good look to it, man. It's got a great sound. Fuel gauge works. The only thing I didn't check is I think that radio works if I remember right. Well, that thing sounds mean out back. Backup lights work. Well, that thing sounds mean. It gets its R's quick. Single run.
No radio.
No? I thought it no, turn it on and leave it on for 1 second. I thought I got that thing to buzz. Come on. No? Yeah. Blower motor does work. This is a good car right here. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time I post a new video. great day, guys.